Cambodian boxer has been removed from WBC Muaythai. This boxer is Bird Songkherm, who lost to the Thai boxer Yothin FA Group during a match on February 2024 held in Australia. Bird refused to accept the decision of the referee and field doctor. He incited Cambodian people to attack WBC Muay Thai and 1774 Muay Thai promotions Facebook pages by accusing them of cheating by ending the fight unreasonably. Few days ago, admins checked in the WBC Muay Thai page and found that Bird has been removed from the list of contenders. This is a result for those who do not accept the rules and decisions of the referee who is in charge for the judgment. In the future, Cambodian boxers should be permanently banned from all international boxing matches to avoid this problem.